Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to deactivate your Threads profile on your Android phone. If you're not familiar with Threads, it's a messaging app that's designed specifically for communicating with your close friends on Instagram. But if you're no longer using it, or you just want to take a break from it, deactivating your Threads profile is a quick and easy process. So let's get started. First, open the Threads app on your Android phone and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see your profile picture down below. Tap on your profile picture, and it will take you to your profile page. On the upper right-hand corner, you'll see two stacked lines, which is the Settings button. Tap on it, and it will open up a menu with several options. From the menu, select Account. This will take you to your account settings, where you'll see options like Profile, Privacy, and Notifications. Scroll down until you see the option that says Deactivate Profile. Tap on it, and it will take you to a confirmation page. If you're sure you want to deactivate your Threads profile, tap on Deactivate Threads Profile. A pop-up will appear confirming that you want to deactivate your profile. Tap Deactivate, and your profile will be deactivated. And that's it. Deactivating your Threads profile on your Android phone is a quick and easy process. Just remember to save any important messages or information before you deactivate your profile, as you won't be able to access them once your profile is deactivated. If you change your mind and want to reactivate your profile, simply log back into the Threads app and your profile will be reactivated. It's important to note that deactivating your Threads profile won't delete your account or any of your content. If you want to delete your account permanently, you'll need to do so through the Instagram app. And there you have it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.